Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Doing. My name is Deidre Ashante. Some people call me Pastor Deidre Ashante. Some people call me Miss D. But I am the founder of CEI Hair Schools, Legends Barber and Beauty Academy, a host of schools across this great nation. So I am imploring today, we are here at the Premier Orlando Hair Show. So I decided that it would be a great day to give scholarships. So today, 24 hours, you gotta let me know. 24 hours, I'll be giving out 15 scholarships. So if you know someone that's in between jobs, not quite sure what they want to do, but they have a knack for makeup, a knack for aesthetics, a knack for barbering, or a knack for nails, have them to give us a call, text us, send me a DM. Again, I have 15 scholarships that we're giving out today, just in celebration of Premier Orlando. Each and every year we come down, we bring about 50 students, and every year they are inspired, enlightened. It's something about being in a room with like-minded people that brings light to you and to your progress and what you want to do. So we just want to partner with some people, and we're providing these scholarships 24 hours only. So from right now up until 12 o'clock, midnight, you have to text me, and we will get your paperwork completed by 12 o'clock tomorrow and get you on the road to your greatness.